Okay guys, this is a 2022 Jeep Renegade Trail Hawk, 4-wheel drive, rebuilt title, had some front end damage, all been fixed up. $43,858 on the miles. Your cruise control, heated seats, heated steering wheel, navigation. There are different apps, Bluetooth. Here's all your off-road packages with the Trailhawk. It's got a locking differential. It's automatic. Automatic windows, power locks and mirrors. Let me show you this backup camera. All-weather floor mats. There's your VIN number. Here's your tow package. No airbags deployed on this one. There's the alignment, all passed. Good looking Jeep Renegade, good price range. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.